Hi everyone, today we're going to make this paper boomerang together. Quickly and easily by ourselves. Take one A4 sheet, which we share in half lengthwise. Like this, we will fold it in half. We fold it exactly in half. We did. Nice. We can either cut it or tear it neatly if we have a good line to follow. I'll try to tear it. To make it neater. So, we've divided our sheet into two parts, and we will need one part. We fold this part in half. All the lines are good, but we will fold it. But we bend both sides to this middle in order to achieve balance. 1. And 2. This is how it turned out. It's incredibly so thin. And a pile. Now we need to add up in half this sheet, like this. Here we can see the edges of the sheet spreading apart. The edges of our sheets. Here we have the middle, and where do we have? We need to bend the middle along this line, nice and straight. The edge of the scarf to make a triangle. And 2. It should turn out to be 2, like this. We folded it. Well, marked these lines. And now we unfold them. And division. We fully open our shape. And along these lines, we need to hide these triangles inside like this. Hide the triangles inside. Like this here. We take them and fold them. Along the fold line, the triangle inside. So we just hide them in like this, nice and even. And we kind of tuck them in like this. So we end up with this shape. A good price guide. Our dreams. This will be very useful for us in the next steps. We need to say it in general and not needed. We fully reveal the shape. And we reveal one side because it is here. A little square. It has formed. Here we need to, besides now, fold. So that our shape is now already folded. So pay close attention, we have a part here to fold. Here is our additional part that is not yet used. We're working on one side only. We need this little square. Here, on this side where we have this part, it opens up. We need to draw this center line. You can do it just like this. And make sure to draw the center line well, so that it is aligned. Exactly like this. In this direction, on the other side we draw all the lines. Here is our square. In this direction, this line, make sure to draw it well on the C, so that the little square is like this. Let's draw it well from this side, where there isn't this flap. Now we turn the device back, we have the center line aligned, and the sides that are facing that way. We take this center line of the square. Let's push it. We need to wrap it like this and turn it up the mountain. Like this we take and fold it. And these are the side ones. The lines that are aligned. As you fit together with this line. So we just push it like this. And we need to lay it on one side. Like this we take it. So, once again, pay close attention. This is the most difficult moment. To fold the figure. Like this to one side. I'm showing it like this away from me. I very carefully place the vase up like this. We slowly and gently opened it. Look, one more time. Here's the line that we have for now. And like this, and once, and we can, so we take it to one side. We lay it down. This is what we've already. We spent that we are pushing here, apparently, right here. This is how it folds. Here, we lay it on one side lightly, and in doing so, we unfold it. That's how it is on the side. It turns out that indeed this is the figure or diagram we need now to wrap it. Video grandson. We have it. It is unfolded. Here's this small little triangle of the square, and we fold it inward. Now to us, we tell like this. This is the corner line. To draw it nicely. And on one side, we place our needle on the other side. Here it is. On the other side, we layer it on top. Layers. And for one side, like this, the other side, like this. And now it seems we have formed a shoe for the doll's legs here. Which, as we can see, it opens up. We need to hide it. This will be mine. In this way, we open up our little belly button again. We turn one aside, which we see as we observe from this side. We now clearly and distinctly hiding it. Here, in this pocket, we very slowly, carefully and gently unfold the corner and our side, which is completely hidden away from view and remains unseen. And we'll work on the side of the bottom. This is how we unfold it. And we make the corners of the world. Sometimes. And we unfold it one and in the inner layer. Completely fold the corner like a wave. It turned out pocket. Here it's like this. Now, when we very carefully fold our corner, we need to gently and precisely tuck in this side, which is indeed important. This pocket like this. Doesn't want to be born? This is how I have it. This is a 5-chat toy, designed specifically for young children. Everything on the other side. We unfold it exactly the same way. We make one corner like the threshold. Here we can see one on one of the points. Here everything is even the most and remarkable. We're just doing it like from this side. Just like this, inward, carefully tucking in this side, and gently, we are also folding. Here's such a little machine, this single source, There's nothing complicated. Let's just straighten everything out. We're straightening it out. The extremely strong, powerful, durable, and efficient boomerang is ready. We can try it out here. In flight, that it flies, I assure you.